YouTube, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you are already a part of the Banks fam, welcome. And if you aren't a part of the Banks fam, we would love to have you here. All you have to do is click that subscribe button. Here on this channel, we do everything cute. We don't do nothing ugly, baby. So if you're into like lifestyle, DIYs, hair, or if you just want to see me do, you know, like some nails, then baby, I got you. You're in the right spot. There is no channel like this one here. You know, have no fear because Nyla is here. So welcome. So in today's video, I decided to do, this is more of a watch me work type of video. So I decided to do knotless box braids on my little teeny weeny afro. You know, I'm looking like Hellraiser right here. Halloween came early for you, girl, but it's okay, it's cool. So yeah, I put a lot of useful information down in the description box, so make sure you check it out, as well as all of the products that I use will be listed down there below as well. All my social media platforms will be listed there as well, so make sure you follow me on my social media platforms because I am trying so hard to get to 500 subscribers by Halloween of this year, so I can do this giveaway that I want to do. So please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Snapchat because I do giveaways on there very often, and I want to do a really huge giveaway when I hit 500 subs. So help your girl out, please. So here I bought 3 packs of Expressions braiding hair, and out of the 3 packs I used about 2.5 because I was going for, and I got butt length knotless box braids. And baby, why do these companies be lying talking about tangle free? Not only did it tangle, it burnt me, it cut me, and it tangled all up on me. So like, why I gotta suffer for using your product? Like that makes no sense to me. 0 cents to me. Like I had to have my boyfriend literally yank the bottom of the knot, well, the knot out the bottom of the hair just so I wouldn't have to cut it. Like, no. So once again, if you aren't subscribed, I would love to have you here. Just click that subscribe button. And if you like today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and click that bell. That way you'll be notified every time your girl upload and you won't miss it, baby. So I haven't been to the salon in about 3 months. So I have a few pieces in my, well, like a few patches in my hair where my hair is still like bluntly cut. And it still has a little growing to do, but have no fear, Nyla is here. Like I said, it still came out cute, it still came out bomb, so whatever. And once again, this hair just tangles so much. I would never use Expressions unless like my life depended on it. Like, let's be real, because this is unacceptable. I shouldn't be in this much pain and struggling this hard using your product, which you guarantee on there that I won't be going through tangles, and I'm catching nothing but tangles and headaches. You know what I mean? Like, no, it's not what I signed up for here. No ma'am, no sir. If you can comment down below, what do you think I'm thinking? I would appreciate it because I would love to laugh, and I had so many thoughts running through my head. Let's see if someone can guess, you know, what really was going through my head. So I think it'll be fun. Just comment down below, what do you think I was thinking? Or you can also comment down below any suggestions of what you would like for my next YouTube video to be, or one of my future videos to be. I will get on that ASAP for you, and I would appreciate it. So I searched YouTube high and low for knotless box braids on my type of hair, and I found literally nothing. So that's one of the biggest reasons what made me decide to do this hairstyle, you know, on myself. I've seen so many videos in regards to like type 4C hair, type 4B hair, but there is like literally nothing on like 1C hair, 2A hair. So baby, listen, if you just got your hair cut and you feel like you want some box braids or some knotless box braids, and you just like, I don't know if I can get it, yes you can. If you have my type of texture of hair, then baby, yes you can. Look at this. My hair is short as hell, and look at this. And I'm doing it myself. Come on, y'all. You can still get this hairstyle no matter what's going on with your head. So before I cut my hair off, my hair was all different textures, everywhere from 2C until 3B. But since I cut it off, my hair is like in that kind of stage. So most of it is straight. The front is just now starting to curl up, but my edges are like a 3A, I want to say. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because I am trying to hit 500 subscribers by Halloween, and I want to do a giveaway for my subscribers, and I need your help. I need your support. So please share this video with, you know, your friends and your family members, and I would just appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So I know this is a watch me work, so I'm gonna shut up talking now and just let y'all watch me do my thing. So until next time, bye.